In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method that you can use to make big money online using the Google Translator. It's 100% free and you can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per day. And you don't need any previous skills or experience to do this. So this is how much money you can earn using today's method. If you translate one file using the Google Translator, you can earn somewhere between $50 to $100. When you translate 5 files, you can earn up to $500. And when you translate 10 files, you can earn up to $1,000. And the earning potential is crazy. You can automate the process and repeat this over and over again. So if you ever wanted to make money online, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to do, and you can use your computer or your phone. And I'll show you how you can use the Google Translator to make a lot of money online. But you have to follow all of the steps. So first up, I want you to go to the website, which is latium.org. And I'll explain how this works and exactly what I did in a step-by-step process. So you could follow along and copy what I did instead of trying to do it yourself. So right here, I want to show you that there's actually a lot of earning potential on this website. And as you can see here, the project budget could be anywhere from $5 to $25, $100 to $500, and $1,000 to $2,500. So there's a lot of earning potential and a lot of jobs available on this website. And you could join in on this opportunity right now, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. So real quick, let me show you exactly how it works. So for step #1, you can go to this website, sign up, and then browse all of the different projects. Just go into the top menu and click Projects for Bid. There's different offers, different projects, and different jobs that you can do, and you can earn in US dollars or cryptocurrency. So you can just browse all of the different projects that's available on latium.org. And then you can submit a bid, start working immediately, and get paid within 24 hours. It's a very fast payment system, and they pay you on time every single day. So for step #2, you got to complete the project, and then you can submit your work in a dashboard under My Workflow. And step #3, get paid. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your latium.org wallet within 24 hours. So it's a very fast process. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up. Just go into your upper right corner and click on Join. Then enter an email address, and then create a username, enter your first name, last name, create a unique password, re-enter your password for confirmation, and click sign up. And now you have an account on latium.org. And now you have to verify your email account, so be sure to check your email and click on the activate account link so they can set up your account on latium.org. So once you log into your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So what you want to do is go into the left column and click Browse, and then go into the upper menu and select Projects for Bid. And you will be able to see different projects that you can choose from, do the job, and get paid. The problem is that there are so many different projects, so many things to do, and I know a lot of you guys, including myself, don't have any experience. For example, I don't know how to do web development or web platform testing. So there's some things on this website that I just don't know how to do. But the good thing about this is that you don't need any skill or experience to do it. All you have to do is focus on the translation and languages. So just scroll to the top of the page and click on Translation and Languages. And now you can see that there are a lot of projects that you can do about translation and language. And as you can see here, people are earning anywhere from $25 to $2,500 per project for just translating language. For example, if I was to open this project up, and then you could look at the description and see exactly what they want from this project, you'll see that they want you to translate English into Hindi. And if we go back to our projects, this is one you will have to translate from English to Spanish. Here you have to translate from Spanish to English. So there's a lot of jobs on here for translation, and in just a moment I'm going to show you how to do this easily and make money online. For example, you might receive English articles as you can see here, and your job is to translate it from English to Hindi, and you would get paid $75. Just like there are some projects that want you to translate English to Spanish. And some of these projects, as you can see, will pay you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per project. And as you can see here, this is one of the articles that you can receive, and this is an English article. Now, I know a lot of you guys are coming from different places worldwide. You might not be able to translate different languages, but this is the thing. I'll show you in this video how you can leverage the power of the Google Translate tool to do the job for you. And you can automate this process and make money over and over again. But you have to follow the steps that I'm getting ready to show you. First, just go to Google and type Google Translate. And that's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see, you can just paste whatever text or language here on the left, and Google will translate it for you here on the right. So you can automatically translate any language into English, Japanese, Hindi, Spanish, etc. This is pretty small here, so just click on Google Translate, and that'll bring you to this page where it's a lot bigger and easier to work. So first off, the left side detects language. So this is where you want to paste the article here on the left. So when you receive a job, all you have to do is copy the article that needs to be translated, go back to Google Translate and paste everything here on the left, scroll to the top, then select what language you want to be translated to, which in this case is Hindi, and Google will translate it for us. So now I can copy the translated article just by clicking this copy button here. And then I'm going to go back to Google Docs and click on File, click on New, Document. So right now I can paste my Hindi translation into this new document. So Google will automatically translate the entire article, and then we could submit that and get paid. So we can apply for different jobs and different offers on Latium.org, automate the process by using Google Translate, and just repeat the same thing we just did here over and over again. For example, I'm just going to copy this Japanese language and paste it in a Google Translate, select English, and Google will translate that entire article for me into English. It's a very simple process and anyone can do it. And you could do it on your phone or your computer. Just go to Google and search for Google Translate and use this software to do all of the work for you. And you're all set. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope this has stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.